Creating a Phantom Wallet username is not a default feature of the wallet itself, but may involve connecting your wallet to services that allow personalized usernames. Here's how you can create a username tied to your Phantom Wallet. Open Phantom Wallet. Access your Phantom Wallet via the browser extension or mobile app. Fund your wallet. Ensure your wallet has enough SOL tokens to cover the registration fee for a username. Typically, fees are minimal but depend on the Solana blockchain's transaction costs. Visit a Solana name service platform. Go to a website supporting Solana usernames such as Bondifa, which facilitates domain registrations on the Solana blockchain. Search for your desired username. Enter the username you wish to create. If available, you can proceed to register it. Connect Phantom Wallet. Click on Connect Wallet and select Phantom Wallet. Approve the connection request. Register your username. Confirm the transaction details and approve the registration by signing the transaction in Phantom Wallet. Use your username. Once registered, your username can serve as a readable address for receiving funds instead of the long wallet address.